Hey guys, it's the Volvo VHD truck guy. Today we're going to talk about crawler gears. Crawler gears are very important because if you have them and you haven't used them, you're missing out. First thing you're going to do is you're going to shift into manual, and then on the side of your gear shift you got your plus minus. When you shift down into crawler gears, you'll see the C come up on your dash. You'll feel the truck actually activate the crawler gears. Beautiful thing about crawler gears is if you have a transmission mounted PTO, everything still works. So, quite simply, when you're shifted into crawler gears, you activate your PTO. Take your foot off the brake. Little bit of gas. And now the truck will drive itself, creeping forward. Barely moving. And you can work your PTO if you want. How easy is that?